Hey guys, what's up? My name is Elise and this is the Crunchy Ginger. Every week I love to share an idea, a tip, a trick, a DIY to help you live a little greener and save a little money. And one of the things I love to do every month is to share ideas for new green products, which is why when I get my MightyFix in the mail, I love to make a video about it so that we can check out together some different ideas for green products. If you're not familiar, MightyFix is the subscription program from MightyNest.com. It's $11 a month and they send you a surprise sustainable product in the mail. And you can also add on to that with free shipping any other product you want from their really lovely curated catalog of green and eco-friendly products, and they have some great gifts on there as well. So here it is, my November 2020 MightyFix. So let's check out what I got this month. And I also want to say, last month and all the months prior, I have been opening my box with scissors like a heathen. And my father-in-law saw one of my videos and had some major feelings about it and sent me a box cutter. So thank you, Rick. Here is my new box cutter. Hopefully I won't maim myself while I try to open this or damage the product inside, since I'm like really not very skilled at using this. Probably gonna get a bunch of comments about how I'm doing this wrong. Boy, this thing is really sharp. You're probably not supposed to open it towards yourself. All right. Okay. Anyway, let's check it out. I have ordered a few other things with my fix this month, and this box is really small. So whatever my fix is gonna be kind of tiny. So let's check out what we have. I always use this paper packing. You'll never find any styrofoam peanuts. I love that about this company. This looks like my order slip. Check this out. Let's see what we have. Okay, so if you have watched any of my other MightyFix videos, you will know that I am in love with this Meliora dish soap bar. It's exactly what it sounds like. It's a dish soap in a bar, which is awesome because then you don't have all that huge plastic packaging from the dish soap bottles, and this thing works amazingly well. Oh, it smells so good. I just love it. I love it so much. I'm a huge convert to the dish soap bar, so if you're still using a big plastic bottle, check this guy out. I promise you won't regret it. See, the next thing is, oh, I know what this is. Okay, so a couple of months ago in my fix, I got this really adorable bamboo cutting board. And I use that thing every single day. It just lives on my counter, which means I'm washing it a ton, and it's getting a little bit on the dry side. I've tried to use, it says you can use like olive oil to oil it with, but it's just not really cutting it. So I have ordered this bamboo finishing oil, all natural wood and bamboo finishing oil. So it says you apply this with a clean cloth, let sit and allow oil to penetrate for 10 minutes, wipe off excess, food safe once dry. So I am gonna check this out because I am in love with this bamboo cutting board, and I really, really want it to last a super long time. And I'd never really considered before, if you have a plastic cutting board, when you're cutting on it, all these like teeny little flecks of plastic are ending up in your food. So like, it had never really dawned on me before, and now I can't use any kind of plastic cutting board again. I do have other wood ones, but the bamboo one is definitely my favorite. So I'm gonna give this a try, and hopefully this really freshens up that board. Okay, next thing in my box is this Think Sport Natural Deodorant. I get this brand for my husband. This one is the currant grapefruit scent. He usually likes the bergamot cedarwood one, but they were out of that. So we're gonna do this one this month. I think it smells really good. It really smells, I can really smell the currants. There's like a real berry kind of scent to it, sort of nice and fresh. But the great thing about natural deodorant, it's aluminum free. There's no artificial fragrances or anything like that in this. It's very gentle on the skin, and this one really does work. I myself use the Schmidt's natural deodorant, so if you are looking for options for natural deodorant, check this one out. The Schmidt's is also super great. And you can buy them other places, but they definitely carry both those brands at MightyNest. Oh, and by the way, if you have never tried MightyNest and you're thinking about it, I've got a coupon code for you. So hang out for a few minutes and I'll give that to you so that you can check them and fix out for yourself. Okay, so the last thing in my box is the fix. It is very small. Let's see what it is. All Good Herbal Freeze. Okay, it says pain relief on demand with Arnica. Oh, you know what? So my best girlfriend, I think this is what she was talking about. She said she got one of these in her fix and she said it's amazing. So let's see what it says about this. I don't often get stuff for body, but it's always kind of fun when I do. It's usually a kitchen or a home product. So it always comes with this little card. It says your fix is here, and then it tells you some information about this product. It says this month's fix is the All Good Herbal Freeze with Arnica spray. This plant-based spray is made with all natural wild crafted herbs to quickly relieve muscle pain without synthetic or concerning ingredients. Herbal Freeze sprays on cool and warms quickly to provide pain relief for sprains, cramps, and sore joints. This handy spray will be a go-to in your medicine cabinet for everything from pre-race stiffness to weekend warrior workouts to chronic muscle pain. All right, well, I'm going to be honest with you. There is no pre-race situation happening here, and I am not a weekend warrior workouter, but I do often have lots of aches and pains because I have two small children who like to sleep on like my neck every night when they like inevitably end up in my bed, and so I'm often like all kind of, you know, creaked up in my back and my neck. So this sounds like something I'm going to definitely give a try. It just says spray directly on the area, massage, repeat as needed. Okay, I have used other things from this All Good brand and they've all been all good. So I'm excited to check this out, and I think also my husband will be very excited to check this one out as well. I will try to come back and update and leave a little review of it in the comments below if you're interested. So if it's been a little while since this video's been out, make sure you look below if you want to know how I liked this and also how I liked this new product as well. So if you are wanting to check out the MightyFix for yourself, use the code MightyNow by clicking on the link below in the description. Use code MightyNow, and that's going to give you your first fix for just $3. There's no obligation. You can always cancel at any time, but make sure if you're going to take advantage of that, that you also look through their catalog and get some other stuff to add on so you can take advantage of that free shipping. Also, they've got some really great sustainable toys and gift ideas, so make sure you look into that as well. I think I will be adding some of those kinds of things on for my December fix since holidays are right around the corner. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this gave you some green ideas. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I love chatting. I love talking about these products. If you've used any of this stuff, give me some feedback. Let me know what you're loving, what you don't like so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more ways you can live a little greener and save a little money. Bye now.